So guys, good morning, and it's morning right here. Today we have 2008 to 10 Honda Accord we're going to be working on. This vehicle was converted elsewhere, and just like the ones that have been brought down to the workshop, they all seem to have the same common issue, and which is wrong installation. I've started working on it until the owner of the vehicles decided that maybe I should just make video on this so that we can create awareness before people carry a vehicle and go and convert somewhere else. So here is what is going on with this vehicle. The first issues we are having is that this car, as it is right here, the CNG injectors, the hose that takes the gas in through the jets, are drilled at the wrong place. So what will happen is, because the intake is so far from the combustion chamber, the vehicle will start misfiring. No matter how much they try to calibrate this vehicle, no matter how much you try to do it, it will not work. Even if for any reason the vehicle is able to stabilize on idle, driving it is going to be very, very problematic. And the reason why is because it is going to be having late combustion, which in turn will cause the engine to run very, very poorly. So what we are going to be doing today is we are going to be making some corrections to this. This is going to be a very, very long work because I'm the only one working on it. None of the boys is here. So let's just begin.
The truth is, most of the time we do receive this kind of issues over and over and over again, and in fact it has gotten to a point that it's beginning to become like more of a burden to me, because fixing other vehicles that has been installed somewhere else and I had to be the one doing the correction most of the time is beginning to take toll on me, because later in some cases we begin to find out that there has been damages done to either the engine or the electrical system of the car.
So we are done with the installation, and corrections has been made to the wrong installation that was done by the other conversion center. Though it is not as clean as me I would want it, but it is far more better than what it was before. And right now, let's take it for a test drive. Alright, so we just came back from the test drive, and the vehicle drives 100%. Like, given the fact that it was a vehicle that was misfiring initially, but now it no longer does that. So this is also a quick reminder: if you're going to be installing your CNG on your vehicle, please be very careful to know where you are installing from. Not every person that opens a workshop and say that they are installing CNG knows exactly what they are doing. We've received countless of these kind of issues with mostly Hondas and every other vehicles, Hondas, Toyotas, V6, V8 engines with issues just as this one, and we've been rectifying it. So to save yourself some stress, just convert from professionals, right? Instead of just looking for a cheap place to do your conversion and then you end up in my workshop again and I'm going to charge you extra. So with that being said, see you guys later. Peace.